واتزارت me. How to open this tiara collection designed to make every moment special. Each piece is thoughtfully crafted with care, featuring elegant designs and handmade pieces that adds a personal touch, perfect for birthday celebrations or any occasion. Her gifts combine timeless style with heartfelt meaning, because the best presents are those made with love. Aww, so sweet. Come on, open. That's unboxing. Unboxing. Kalabo ng camera natin. Yeah. How to open it? Remove the plastic first. Yay. Then, how, 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 how? I don't know. This has been the first time to open a box like this. Should be like this. Up. Put it up. Ta-da! Cute. Hello, summer. Send a little sunshine brightening your everyday, especially for you. Aww. To see a world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wild flower. Ta-da! Yellow. Kasi socks. Cute ng socks niya. Yay! Yan o. Diba? Cutie. Cutie! With a heart shaped and ponytail. One piece of ponytail and handmade candle. Shama. Let's open it. Ah, cute. Can you see it? Handmade candle. You can smell it. Hmm. And this is, what's this? Bracelet? Always remember, sometimes you forget you're awesome. Just in case you needed to remind. Huh. Cute. Paano siya open? To open it. You know. Ay. Same siya ng flower. Nasaan na yun? Nasaan ni card? Same siya. Ganyan. Same siya. CD. Very cute. Hindi ba lang makikita? Ganun. Kailangan focus. Autofocus. Cutie. Yun o. Lobo. And this is love. For shower. For shower this one. Ang cute. Wala ko baka kalo siya sa ano eh. Water. Mm-mm. Ang bango. Ano ba? Napaka-cute. At another bottle of water. Yan! Ang cute. Then lots of sunshine and big hug for you. Cutie. Paano to open? How to open it? Oh, masira ko siya. Don't know how to open. Ayun pang ano niya. Linis. And this one is a soap. I think a soap. And another one. Diamond soap. Cute niya, di ba? Lagay natin lahat dyan, pati pera. One na lang. Isang lagay na lang. Suot natin yung bracelet. Tada! Tada! Anong susuot yung bracelet? Ganyan. Ayan siya. Bracelet with the heart. Cute. Diba? Suot ko na ba? Kasha. Antenna. Yay. 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 Tapos picture na. Hello, summer. Ano pala yung front?